Hi everyone, just wanted to hop on here really quick to share with you guys this new brand of extensions I have been using for my hair called Moresoo Hair. The reason I love these hair extensions is because it even says it on the box, it is real human hair. So with real human hair, I am able to curl it, I'm able to straighten it and blow dry it if I need to, which is super convenient because I love to curl and straighten my hair. So in the next couple clips, I'm going to show you guys how I clip them into my hair and how natural they just blend in. So the first thing that I like to do is clip up my hair. I know it looks a little funky, but here are the extensions. These are 22 inches. They're a little bit wavy because I did wash the hair, but these are the clips. It has cute little clips with it already. So what I like to do, like I said, I split my hair into sections and then I just literally clip it in. It's that easy. Just kind of nip that part, clip it, and boom. It literally just stays, you guys. Even when you're running late, they're so easy to just put in. I love it. Let me come back when I have all of them in so I can show you guys. Okay guys, so I am back and all the extensions are in. I don't know if you can tell, but it did add volume to the roots of my head. I can't really tell. I'm going to show you guys how long it is. As you can tell, they are pretty long. I just backed up a little bit to show you guys. These are the 22 inches, like I said. They do have shorter extensions for anybody who wants their hair a bit shorter. Look how well blended. I don't even know where my actual hair is at. Like, you can't even tell. I do have the clips in here for anybody who's gonna tell me that they are not in. I'm telling you guys, look how natural they look. You can't even tell. So yeah guys, I hope I did help some of you guys out. Like I said, Moresoo Hair. I will have the link in my caption for anybody who wants to go and check them out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.